Hey everyone, we're going to find the value of the discriminant and describe the nature of the roots. For x squared minus 9x plus 14 equals 0. So let's do that. In our case, it's already in standard form, so our a is 1, our b is negative 9, and our c is 14. Now our discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So let's fill in by substitution. So we have negative 9 squared minus 4 times a times 14. This is going to be 81 minus 4 times 14, 28 plus 20 is 56. So that's going to equal 25. So that's your discriminant, happens to be positive. So you're going to have two distinct real roots. Now we can solve with the quadratic formula. Again, my a is 1, my b is negative 9, and my c is going to be 14. So we're going to write x equals negative b. Since it's negative 9, it turns positive. Plus or minus square root of 25. We already did this part. Divide it by 2. 2 times 1 is just 2. So the square root of 25 is 5, so let's simplify that. We get x equals 9 plus or minus 5 divided by 2. Now, for this, we have to split it up. So we're going to get to split it up. X equals 9 plus 5 divided by 2, and x equals 9 minus 5 divided by 2. So this is going to be 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And this one's going to be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So my solutions are 7, 2, or you can write it as x, let's see, x equals 7, or x equals 2. So I don't know which way you want to write it, but either way is fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.